Hi guys, thanks for joining me for another video on the BMW M235i Gran Coupe. I've not been able to make as many videos as I'd like to. I've been a bit busy. So for now, I'm going to do a quick upload on launch control. I've had quite a few questions about this, quite a few people asking how you do it. So I'll just give you a quick walkthrough, give you a demo, show you what it sounds like from outside the car, and hopefully on my next video I'll be able to give you a really good overview of how I found the first 1500 miles, what MPG I'm getting, what I like, what I don't like, and just a general overview of the car. But for now, let's go ahead with the launch control. You do need to do 4 things to get it started. The first thing is to get the engine warm. It's not going to work unless the engine is at temperature. Trying to do it is just not going to engage the launch control, and it's probably not good for the engine anyway. The other 3 things are you have to put it into sport. You need to turn the traction control off. And then you need to put the transmission into sport. Now we'll just get into a good position where we can actually launch the car. Okay, here we are, all set up. Transmission in sport. Sport is engage and traction control off. You need to stamp the pedal as hard as you can. Press the accelerator and you'll see launch control active, and let go. And that's at 60. So this is what it sounds like from outside the car. As you can see now, unfortunately, it's just started to rain. So that's going to be the end of the video for now. If you've got any questions, please drop them in the comments. But that is how you engage launch control. And one other thing to mention is that when you do accelerate, make sure you stamp down and you push the pedal at the kick down right at the bottom. You'll feel it where you push the pedal and it stops, and then you can almost click it again. But thanks for joining me for this video. Take care everyone, and I'll see you soon.